Hak Jingshah ki kato kenengut kidong thok kubor bantip ke jinglong jingman Star Cement kebadan halum shnong hak district East Jingshah Hills. Kibabun hi ni Nongniah Trok ke Star Cement ke beri kitrai jela ke lapan pau ke Syier haba kikit mar namari odon ke Jingshah tombor biang sasisien. Laban kedawang ni bakumba arpsan Tylii Trok ke Star Cement ke lasyak penjular ke bakentup ya kat prat Tylii Trok ke belasyak Thang hau Paidbhur. Bamla ban itu kerteng menhaka kat pratrik ujemang arhajar arpusan. Bat kani kala jah hadien ke Jingshah ayu u samla ubana ke shnong lum shnong ubala klat no hasyen ubala shayu akuwe ke Trok jong ke Star Cement. Hakane ke miet keladon bah ke Jingshah kan at ke bajur hak bau Paidbhur ulami ipuk ban kawang mau bat ban Thangi ke Trok. Nakaliang kinong tok kubor nanong ba shlong. Hak arpu pratrik ujemang arhajar arpusan kilalet ban hiar syakane ke jaka basya Thang ki Trok ke Star Cement ban pet ke jinglong jingman. Bat keliyok ban ekran bagi Nongniah Trok ke bayang aplau ke Star Cement bat keliyat tu bahadu menta kelentia jongki kadang don hapedang ke Syier bat ke jingbam shingan. Namar kidon ki beriuk ke bakawang mau bet gi Trok on dalam miet. Nongniah Trok keliyat tu ru ba ke Jingshah pentut bat syak kawang mau ke dai bet Tang ya ki Trok jong ke Star Cement. Kat bayi ki Trok ki bam dai jong ke Star Cement ki menju pentut. Habai ekran bod superintendent ki pulet ke East Jingshah Hills Ugiri Prasad Raju bat kumjo bat u Shivanshi Awasthi uli itu bagi dang penlong ya ke jing tokit bat kila shim kia ban telakam ya keno ka Jingshah ke bas ngusi.
Kanta de ngigi baya gari star de kam Jingshah be diat kendian mi osok re ban lei sini por melo mi ora ban trai kom baju trai kom shwa de tang steblo to shmi po ta de la wan to por me to la jan me ta hap jing me de mi ora ban lei
Berkila ham strict kendian.
Tela da yairo don giba maham untuk dat mau kawang mau untuk sekali untuk da kiro gini gitrai ru ki om lada ya untuk da lada syak dat ki kali ru untuk da hapin snangi trai bar tam yo no pe ta hap jing bai por miro yo ra ban le
Mata ni kata ka singanya tu no. Baca.
ngan bara tai dat la peri kom baju da long ra kom baju hi la kam tin mai da ye i trai bar baya galistar
Siya pentut iki kali Star Cement.
Ngam don chini ngadon sa snapor.
Te menta bakiwan sini bagi kadang Jingshah pentut i krai.
Por memit tharai sa penthore.
Te pisnong singanya pisnong Syier na da pi wan sini.
Por musngi mula sa singan por memit sa Syier.
Terus tang kapon menit kemut ki pentut. Kele kemno ba?
Lek amno ngatu yin salam te. Musngi.
Nama kidan kiba kedau bagi syak kawang mau i
Dai por memit to musngi kawang
Itu korn don ko sini. Na ra sini mo. Dua dia ada tip ra kamon.
Te pisnong kumno pa menta pisnong singanya am bakiwan kitmat na ni na po Star Cement.
Biang ni.
Ya, kadang ke Jingshah pentut i
Dah ra.
Enten i Tip
Parawan sini lai sup wan sup ni.
kan bagi naki driver ki baku pau ya ke Jingshah. Lo syak pentut kan volunteer la da kikit mar na ni na po Star Cement kadai sisya kata.
Tip ngam jo chen da putip mo. Boy man da lai boy chen da putip ra.
Thốt ra
Ndan cepet i
don phải nghi lòng cái riêu ta riêu om to don ba load highway company teng highway company da man ta ro yu wan sene
Pisau Syier ne pisau singanya ban wan hani po Star Cement hadin ke tu Jingshah.
ta da man ta su wan de nge ne
Dah suwan ta. Pisau ye pa.
sao ấy
Incident which happened yesterday was actually the company's truck were there that was operated by some NECPL called. So all the drivers are from the Meghalaya only. They are operating. So in yesterday's incident, I think there was some dispute on the road by some camper driver or this truck driver. Both the truck driver belongs to Klitirshi near Jovai, and camper driver belongs to Lumshno. So there was some incident happened near Vizer, I think. So that camper was chasing to the truck. When it reached to the plant, so there was some gap. So the truck too was stopped at gate, and then after that, when it entered, that camper was also in along with the. It came, and then driver came by foot, and then he stood on the front side of the bumper of the truck, and he was putting the hand on the that in the that glass front mirror, and I think by the truck driver was also scared or don't know what was there inside, and there was some incident happened. He fell down, and then truck was in already in movement. So that incident happened. So when I was also not there, our team was there. They immediately rushed to spot, and then ambulance was provided. Doctor was there, but I think that was not alive, or that doctor said it was there, and then the truck driver also fled after parked the truck in the parking, and then he fled. So at that time nobody was also not aware. So when they came, so then slowly that people also gathered what happened, and then that headman, deputy headman of the village came along with the people, and then they tried to their family member will come, and then they took the body to the hospital, and then police also reached before time. They were also there. So after that, I think some miscreant or some nuisance people they came, and then they try to divert the issue from this to another matter, and then they're taking advantage of the situation, and then they try to in number of people they gathered, and then they try to hit the trucks at the parking, and then started breaking the glass, and then burning the trucks, and then one by one, and then they made some fear psycho in the plant. They destroy the office, that transport office also they disturbed, and then the plant office also they have disturbed. So they created fear psycho for 2-3 hours in the plant. So that all the whatever detail was required by the police, we have provided them, and then accordingly that as per requirement, then whatever thing is there, police is taking care as per normal course of action, as per law they will deal. So that's a matter.
Your take on this? What is the latest case? I mean, what
See
is the
now,
status?
as far as we this incident occurred, so we have taken enough precautions that the issue doesn't flare up. So when the incident of that accident occurred, so then suddenly a mob of few hundred people, garrowed the Star Cement premises. So then basically we didn't want the issue to flare up much. So, but if we have registered the case, an investigation is going on. I cannot comment on what is the cause of this case exactly presently. And this angle of drug addicts also only when we catch the people who are involved in it, then only we'll be able to confirm whether it's drug addicts or not. And definitely, yes, a drug issue is a problem because East Jantia is being a bordering district, and it is connecting a national highway to Lower Assam and every place. So drug trafficking through this route is prominent. However, we have last 1.5 years, we have taken enough efforts. In fact, what we have seized in last few years is highest in the recent times. And you cannot compare it with the last before 10 years or 15 years. So from the police side, with the directions of a DGP, we are doing enough as much as possible from our side to tackle the menace of drugs. We have identified some suspects doing the CCTV cameras and all. So we are in the process of taking action on them, but we'll need some more time for that. No, that we completely assure the security of all the thing because already I had a meeting with the village Lumshnong also, and we assured that there is no fear factor at all. So this kind of incidences sometimes when it occurs, so there is always a fear psychosis. But from our district police side, we assure you that the cement trucks can ply freely. There is no requirement of having fear. Yeah, and situation is normal since already we had a meeting with the village.